what's up, guys? It's Clayton J. We gotta do it again.
What do you want me to say?
Your name, dumbass.
Oh, Brian. I think it's a one take. I think this is good.
Hey, we're back with another YouTube video. Come on, you ready? Ready? We're back with another, We're back with another YouTube video. Hey, yes sir, let's go! Alright, so I'm hanging out with my boy Brian. And we're just gonna hang out today, right? Dude, me and Brian's been through a lot, and we're still hanging out. We're still
Trials
going
and tribulations.
Yeah. It's funny because he was with my ex, right? This is how we met, from my ex. Like, this is my ex's ex. And then we met. And then we started hooking up. And now he's just my best friend. And then, the funniest part now, so he went from my ex's ex, and then me and him hooked up. And then now we're friends. And now we're talking to a girl with the same name. Like, two different girls. We're not talking to the same girl.
Mine's definitely spelled very weird. Is yours spelled normal?
Yeah.
Her name is spelled fucking weird.
There's different ways to spell it. Oh, yeah.
Is that not weird?
No, that's weird, but I've seen it that way before.
I feel like
let me read.
Wait. Get out of there.
Come on.
Your profile picture.
Which one is it?
You get one page scroll. Riz?
I'm proud of you for, like, actually having full-ass conversations, though. Not just saying, like, yeah. You know, I'm proud of you.
What's your pussy smell like?
Alright, we're at the food court. I put some hair product in my hair, so it looks a lot better. Alright, there's Brian. Get going, let's see it.
Yours tastes like...
Oh yeah, Daddy, get it all in there. Oh yeah, that was a good bite. Good bite. What do you think? Is it good? I literally came here the other day, like a week ago. Has it been a week already since I brought my computer here? Something like that. Yeah. But got the same shit. Got my Chinese, because every time I come here I get Chinese. Oh yeah. You get a different thing, because last time we came here you got, you had the Philly cheesesteak last time.
Oh, it was popular food, yeah.
Yeah. Today is a Tuesday. You know what goes up on a Tuesday? The club goes up on a Tuesday. Hey. Yeah. Who is that? There's a baby. There's a baby out there. Yeah, I got him a treat, so he's sitting out there with a treat. So, goddamn, my eyes look really good right now. So yeah, this is my hair. I gotta do a hair update because it's growing really quick. It's getting long enough to pull, if you know what I mean. God, it's getting so long. Yeah, so, oh my god, something funny happened at Ninja. Okay, two things happened. Oh my god, so, like, it's so funny that, like, okay, so this one thing, so this girl that I'm seeing, right, the girl that I'm dating, she like was told a couple people there, it was like, oh yeah, you know, Clayton and I are like together, like seeing each other, and then this one girl's like, Clayton, you, the gay one? She's like, isn't Clayton gay? And it was funny, so, I guess I look gay. I mean, I am very in touch with my feminine side, you know, and that's fine. Just like Nicki Minaj says, he's in touch with the feminine side. I mean, mom, like pelican fly. I mean, I'm so shy and I'm loving your thigh. I mean, I'm thicker than a guy with a thing on his eye. Am I saying it right? Yeah, I'm in touch with my feminine side. I am, and I'm short, and I'm cute. But yeah, that was funny. Yeah, I'm also gonna clean my house. It's not bad. It's not bad, but the girl I'm dating is coming over Sunday for the first time. She's coming to my house. Like, usually I go to her house. She lives like an hour away, so 90% of the time I drive down there because that's where all the fun stuff is anyways. There's really nothing over here, but we have some walk trails and stuff, and it's gonna be nice out. So I think we're gonna have a picnic I feel like the picnic sounds fun. And we're also gonna take some photos and stuff. Yeah, and yeah, look. She got me that. She got me that. That's fine. She got it. Also, I'm pretty excited because look what's back, boys. Look what's back. Oh. Look at my boy Top. That's my boy Top. My computer's back. I broke it because it fell in the bathtub. And it got fixed. I'm glad. That's why I get your Apple, what do you call it? Apple insurance. Because I'm pretty happy that I had insurance on it because I only paid $300 and everything, they replaced everything on it. So I'm proud of myself. Also, I'm going to do this for you guys. I'm so funny. I'm so funny. So I just be going like, oh. Okay. Let me try it again. Let me try it again. Oh my gosh. That's also a really good grip strength for Ninja. You know, I'm practicing. Gotta get my A game. You know, can't be behind. Yeah, that's fun. So I'm gonna make some chicken and also clean. Yeah, because I've been cleaning. Well, I've been cleaning. I didn't realize she was gonna come over till today. We like made plans for Sunday, but like, look how empty. I'm so like minimal. I eat eggs, bro. Eggs and chicken. I got chicken, but I put it in the freezer. My freezer is pretty packed. Yeah. Oh my god, I'm out of breath. This is what I made. Oh yeah. It's chicken and over mashed potato. Topper, I gave Topper some too, so I don't know why he's begging right now. Down. I gave him I made him eggs and I gave him some mashed potatoes. But it's chicken over mashed potatoes with country gravy sauce and it tastes pretty good. Yep. And then I got my water. This is the water I be drinking because this water came fresh from the French Alps mountains. French Alps. I said apes. Yeah, it's green because I put liquid chlorophyll drops in my water. Yeah. So that's it. What's up, guys? Me and my boy Top. Jay is in the back. We doing our thing. You know how it goes. We're getting lit. Look at my hair. Oh my god, it's looking really good. I got no product in my hair too, and it does its thing. I don't know. I don't know, guys. That's so crazy. So I always like to reference song lyrics. Like that's my thing. I like to reference song lyrics. I love songs. I know every single song in the world. Okay, no, I don't. But like I know like every single rap song. Okay, so I like to reference my songs. And Uzi Vert is my person, right? That my home dog. And what Uzi said, the song, like, I know it hurts sometimes, but you'll get over it. You'll find another life to live, right? And that's I listened to that song the whole time. I was like in a bad spot because I was hurting. It's like, I know it hurts sometimes, but you'll get over it. And I'm like, Uzi, I'm not over it. I hate my life. I'm sad. I better stop it. But now, like, I listen to that song. I'm like, hey, like, you helped me through this, Uz. Like, you know, like, I'm like, that song is like so powerful. Like, it's so crazy that like, that is totally true. Like, you'll find another life to live. Like, if you hate your life, you can find a life you enjoy. Like, it's that crazy that you are in control of your own life. Like, I just, sometimes I don't realize that, like, I'm in control of my own life. What I want to eat today, and I even got shit I want to eat, right? I got more healthier choices than going to McDonald's because I'm in control of my life. It's like, Clayton, you can crave that McDonald's because your body is telling you to crave it, right? But, like, I know I don't actually want McDonald's. Like, even though, like, I was, like, craving some fucking chicken nuggets and, like, dip it in fucking ranch and some fucking fry. Like, a Big Mac sauce. Oh, don't even get me started on Big Mac sauce. But I know I don't actually want that. Like, I know, like, I'm craving it, but that doesn't mean I need, like, you can crave things that are toxic. But you need to be disciplined enough to not go back to that, you know? And I'm just so proud of myself. Like, I'm just such in a good spot, guys. Just let me be, okay? Just let me be in a good spot. But it's just so crazy. Like, first of all, like, I don't know. This life's so crazy. Like, I was in a 5-year relationship, right? We've been broken up for like a year and a half now. She started dating Brian. You guys know Brian. And they broke up. And then Brian and I became best friends. And Brian's my best. Like, right now, I would say I text him every fucking day. Oh, we don't text. We we send voice messages all day. We send voice messages to each other. Like, that's the guy I'm talking to every single day. Like, he's my best friend. And it's kind of crazy that, like, at one point he was dating my ex. And now he's my best friend, you know? I don't know, it's crazy. It's crazy. And it's crazy that I can say I have a best friend. Because back in the day, I never really had a friend. Like, you know, like, this guy, like, he knows everything about me right now. Like, anything that's going on in my life, I tell him. You know, anything good that happens, he's the first guy I tell. Him or the girl I'm dating, I tell her everything. Because communication's key, right? To build trust. I don't know, I'm just such in a good mood. And Topper's in a good mood. I don't know, I'm just so happy, and I have friends, and I'm hanging out with people that, like, is just better. Like, there's another quote that says, if you are the best one in your friend group, you need a new friend group, guys. And I totally agree with that. And I'm not the best one in my friend group. Like, I every single day I hang out with someone, like, even at my ninja, anytime I hang out with them, there's people better than me at ninja. And the people that aren't better than me are still good at something, right? Like, even the girl I'm seeing, she has, like, a full-time job, right? She's a welder. But she does work at Ninja part-time. Like, she goes there, I think she part-time, but she's literally there every single day. And, like, I'm better than her, as in, like, better at doing the obstacles, because I'm just a very active fitness guy, right? But she's a worker there, so she can also just teach me, like, if I'm not kicking right, like, if I'm not swinging right, she's like, hey, Clayton, like, what's the word? Like, coordinate? What's the word? Like, teaching me the techniques. Like, she's better at technique-wise, like, actually showing me, like, Clayton, you're not doing, like, muscle up, Clayton, you need to do this, not that, like, you know. And that's what's cool, is, like, I'm learning, like, even the people that aren't, like, people that are, like, not as good are still better than me at something. Like, I'm not gonna lie, the girl I'm seeing is better at don't tell her I said this. She's better at doing backflips than me, okay? In the pit. I used to do backflips on the floor, and now I'm back in the pit, and I'm scared again. Yeah, she's definitely gonna be better than me at backflips. I need to catch up, because ain't no way gonna let her. She's gonna be using that against me for the rest of her life. So I need to get better. I need to get better at my backflips. But I'm really good at my I'm really good at my handstands now. Sam and Lori taught me my handstands, so you guys, shout out to you guys, doubt they watch my shit. But they're amazing, and they taught me how to do a handstand better. So I'm gonna go practice that right now at the park. And I want to do a handstands for you guys. I want to show you guys how good I am at handstands. Hopefully I'm good today. I am wearing these shoes, and these are not my ninja shoes, or like my handstand shoes. Wait, I don't need shoes for handstands. Oh well, let me make excuses, okay? That's what I'm good at. And I'm gonna try an aerial, which these shoes might not be the best for that. I'm a little nervous to try an aerial out here, since it's not flat, but you can't really fail on an aerial. If anything, I'll just do I'll accidentally put a hand down, but let's try it. That was not bad. Oh, oh. So here's my handstand. You ready? You ready for the best handstand you've ever seen in your life? Let's go. Right here. That's actually not bad. I'm gonna try that one more time. Oh. No. Okay. That's it, Tops. I'll play with you now. Toppy straight. Toppy straight. Hey. No. That dog looks scary. Me and my boy. Me and my boy. Just me and my boy. This is... All right, get up. Sit. High five. High five. Yes. All right, lay down. Let's roll. Roll over. Yep. Lay. Roll over. Roll over. Yep. Lay. Roll over. Yep. Lay. Roll over. Yep. Up. Yes. Good boy. Mwah. Good boy. That's with distractions. Wow. That was great. That was impressive, my boy. That was impressive. You know, see, like I said, you gotta stay dedicated to what you want, and I want my body to be looking good. You feel me? My body looks good already, though. Damn, Clayton. Damn, boy. Damn. Damn. But, yep, got some grapes, got some blueberries. Ready? Watch me. The blueberry. One blueberry. Okay. Grape. Okay, one more. Now, 2 blueberries. No, I'm kidding. One more blueberry. You ready? Yes, sir. Got that, and I got this. I'm gonna try it. Okay, I need to stop. That's good. I mean, I think I make a better pickle dip. Not gonna brag, but that's fine. That's fine. I didn't have to make it myself. I think I'm probably gonna make some though, cause I'm gonna go on a picnic this Sunday, so I'm gonna need to start making some stuff, you know. So come on, Father, father and son.